Meet the hippopotamus, one of Africa's most fascinating and misunderstood creatures.
Today, we're diving deep into the world of the river horse and discovering some incredible facts you probably never knew.
Did you know that the word hippopotamus is derived from the Greek words for river horse?
But don't be fooled by the name.
Hippos aren't related to horses. Instead, their closest living relatives are actually whales and dolphins. Hippos are the third largest land mammals, weighing up to 3,000 kilograms 660 pounds.
Despite their size, they can run up to 30 kilometers per hour 19 mph on land.
Imagine trying to outrun a hippo, you wouldn't stand a chance. Spending up to 16 hours a day submerged in water helps hippos stay cool in the scorching African sun. Their skin even secretes a red-colored fluid often called blood sweat. This natural sunscreen protects them from sunburn and acts as an antibacterial agent. Though they look ferocious, hippos are actually herbivores. Their diet mainly consists of grass, and they can eat up to 40 kilograms 88 pounds per night. However, their large canine teeth can grow up to 50 centimeters 20 inches long, which they use for defense, not for eating.
Hippos are considered one of Africa's most dangerous animals. They are extremely territorial and will aggressively defend their space, both in water and on land. Their powerful bite can crush a small boat, and they are responsible for more human deaths in Africa than lions. Throughout history, hippos have played significant roles in African culture and mythology. Some cultures consider them symbols of strength and protection, while others see them as unpredictable forces of nature.
Despite their iconic status, hippos face significant threats, including habitat loss and poaching for their ivory-like teeth. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to thrive in the wild.
Please subscribe for more videos like this.